Did you know that corn oil, often touted as a healthier cooking option, can pose significant health risks? Despite its popularity, corn oil is loaded with omega-6 fatty acids, which can disrupt the delicate balance of omega-3 to omega-6 in our bodies. This imbalance has been linked to chronic inflammation, a root cause of diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and even certain cancers. Moreover, corn oil is prone to oxidation when heated due to its high polyunsaturated fat content. Oxidized oils release harmful free radicals, which can damage cells and accelerate aging. Additionally, the process of extracting corn oil often involves chemical solvents like hexane, leaving behind harmful residues. The refining process also strips away essential nutrients, making it a source of empty calories with no real benefits. So, next time you reach for that bottle of corn oil, consider opting for healthier alternatives like olive oil or avocado oil. Your body will thank you.